Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Hotbox 237. The girl where they bring on just the latest vibe for our 237 community. If been your first time when you stumble for this house, this is the house of the Bishkilians. This is the CEO or Bonto of them all. Story they just meet up me for years in Gonobeta lost his small sister where either is sick for a very long time. It may be based for Moyoka, but one or two things and they relocate for whosoever no call the location and Gonobeta on know Gonobeta for social media. I not try to talk about what Gonobeta they do for social media. That is a YouTuber and it gets its own way of doing things. I don't say on for years when we do some certain things, they more know the damage control of what they do. Gonobeta don't drag a lot of families of social media, but time they will big five on the positive side will be try for guiding Gonobeta because now know Gonobeta gets its own way of reasoning and its own way of doing things. We the big five will be stand like a sisters, try to fight against negativity when it take place for our 237 community. Gonobeta come in, welcome Gonobeta everything, but what Gonobeta do for we? He drag we for social media, he coach we, he bend for mommy Bridget Benjamin, he drag a family the rubbish for social media. Gonobeta go in as far for go drag Villa Mama in family, go for the parents their inbox to insult them. They laugh over the thing when if you go the man be responding. They laugh the man in English. They coach the papa bring up for social media. I go listen the voice. I come from my channel. I tell una say it. I tell una say something that papa talk. Me ask Gonobeta one question. So you sure? So you go live long like my age? But that una not be the same. Una be go for social, una be go for the place, una go listen, una laugh. I don't ever tell una say I don't come out for one morning time just hook up my name say Hotbox. I think because I don't be for background for 3 years for studying this saga. Some people they come for social media, they zeng, they don't know. Now they say they mess up around for social media. You go enter place because of greed, because of certain things, or because you like some person, or because say all the get reason why you enter a lot saga. But I be don't study this saga. Gonobeta go rubbish that papa, talk that papa, ask that question, but they can't laugh that papa for social media. But people they get sense. They're wise, but she don't back they think about their life. There are some family you don't mess around with them. There are some family you don't touch. There are some family you think twice before you touch them. Because if I take this example for Queen Mother, wait, I don't think I face her for back because of this Queen Mother institution. I don't come out of social media because I cry. But because God be see my heart knows I get a very pure heart, I was safe from that. I have a lot of attack. I have a lot of things will come my way. But I stand like Hotbox. I stand like Ubuntu. This very Queen Mother rubbish my family. He bring my papa for social media. He bring my mommy. He bring my pikin. He coach me. He bring my own self. He lie for my head for my concerning my trip to Mexico. He rubbish me all kinds of time, but I still save his life. Not because say he over be just. That because I want to try to move my own self from all the mess. May not be tomorrow, say blood be there for some. The person will kill him. Because if you know something will happen, you definitely the blood will definitely be for your head. If anything will happen for you. During that time for arrest, when they send that warrant of arrest, every story don't but I then they put my mouth for when you used to over concern me. If you see me I bring on social media, no say it was right to bring it on social media. If you see me I react, no say I was right to react that way. Gonobeta stand for a platform, it rubbish me, it talk a lot of things that it nearly shake my marriage, but I don't bring up social media for now. If my husband was not so wise, also so matured enough, it be shake. All the calls they do about the Tibet a platform, it's shaking a lot of families then. It's shaking Let's Be a family who cry for back, who should not stand our grounds, and our mother be prayer for mommy Bridget Benjamin. May God bless you. What did it happen today? I'll be very sorry say you lost your sister, but this is the time for you to turn back the hands of time. You apologize, even not publicly. Go for put that inbox them, make things right, amend things with them, and make peace with yourself. Not for you for send voice messages all over the place, for talk say you want to wait, you are come up for saga. You know if you come up for saga, so some families you don't touch them. Gonobeta, you don't touch them. I know if you can see me for social media, they follow my thing with me and they do. Your new blog, don't come out today, so can be like Hotbox. No, you don't know who I stand. You don't know who I stand. I don't pass through jungle. I don't pass through a lot of things for life where you don't know me. You don't know my family where I come out. So if you just come out, imitate Hotbox. But when I come out so blindly, when I come out, go follow Diveshela. When I don't know what is all that people that don't kill people on social media. That people that way they don't touch blood for the normal life. And the people that don't enter places them to make money. When I just come out, so they follow them like blindly. But I thank God for Blimbanks and the rest they don't come up for you. But I come for this matter from Diveshela. for two they happen for you see right now. Before I start my channel, I become out and tell una say wetin. I tell una say Diveshella is a very greedy soul. Yes, no doubt about it. Say it can best for the gossip niche. It bring people them. It bring people there for his side for join them together for continue the bad things the way they do and physically for boya. It bring enough for the other community for we call so they call community. We call Facebook say community. It's a community because now people they meet up to exchange things them. So it bring them now. It take if life for boya bring them for social media. Create the own gang of people them. But they try to brainwash them to stand for community. It talk of community how they feed them. I studied all these things for 3 years. I can't tell when I saying Diveshella is a very greedy soul. Because I know they follow a platform, they follow a platform, they give away, they for back, they give for no man. Diveshella is greedy and in the give. Diveshella is a type of person where it like loyalty, but they give loyalty for any person. They don't be loyal for any other people. Then you understand? Nasongo Diveshella day. I tell una go back to my last, una go back to my video them. New people there for you be hot box. Una go back to my video, una tape, una say I be analyze Diveshella. Una go for say Diveshella and Kobos. Give na 6,000 views we did now. Una go back to my video, they will understand what I be talk about the Tibet. The Tibet come out say it get a reason the why it say na Emma class make it go resign for the product we resign for. I make a write-up, so I give it 12 hours to talk why he resigned. I can't make a video, throw some light them. I know over put them up with the things that I leave and me pass. And the things they come back for social media where everything they unfold, it on a front on the same. I no come from Diveshella, I come now for Emma Class. Emma Class, you are a very bad child. Emma Class, you are a very bad child. That your parom up, you are a bad child. I go play on a video where Emma Class can inherit people, their enemies. He start coach Bridget Benjamin for nothing. He coach Kobos, he rubbish Kobos for nothing. We stand for social media like we big five them. We fight, we stand on a coach for things they want to know say it be right. Today how on the year Emma Class, you coach Bridget Benjamin, tell how many go back for village. You coach say, you call your name Bridget Benjamin, you rubbish this woman for social media. Emma Class, you are a bad child. Simply because you have proof loyalty for person where in it even see you. It give you brand or whatsoever where they're behind on a brand. Now because he want to know that they cover it bad things. I can tell when I for social media when I say hot box they do run him out. In my class, I go debunk one thing for you where even if the Diveshella bad, this one will talk for your channel say Diveshella there are 3,000k subscribers where you reach today don't grand as you lie. Try to give credit for some people then. If they help you, we be there for 1,000 something subscribers before you reach 2,000. That immediately time when you can't declare yourself a grand and you run up your client for 2,000. Immediately you start going to make live show to that motivate be and they drag for social media, you are growing. Even Kamel vibe be great to be post and you try to make some fake something they say they are subscriber and that you compare you and Dope Sierra. But you can't stand today for your channel. You talk say no man no make you reach 3,000 subscribers. Dear, you are lying. If you lie for one thing, I'm saying most things the way they talk, you lie. You lie. You can't stand for your channel. Time when you get problem, you and bleed bangs. When you get problem for back. When that time when you go find your house, people they start write you for back. Say people they write to say maybe you bring bleed bangs. Maybe you're in a stage. Which you be talk up. You know it you be talk. A lot of voice messages the day where you be talk a lot of negative things about your friend. That will be looked at and say you are a very bad child. But I said no boy stoop so low for the cocoa and them for my channel. If you ask that one, I'm gonna. But when I see all these things they saw my brother, my sister, them I'm gonna better they play a large part for back for Emma Class. Emma Class go one day tell when I say true, I go talk that true. Because then also gonna better don't want to make Emma Class come out for Granders Committee because say even go Emma Class come out for then also he go stand he one. He go stand he one and when he go stand he one for the no man no go there, they don't say he don't lack place for go. Definitely he don't lack place for go, don't say they always be a grander and he always try for drag for their corner. But since as the Tibet already take Queen Mother put her for a corner, he already deny all them, he denounce them. He denounced it. So gonna better to know if you just stand loose alone. So now whether they try for come up for saga or try for hold Emma Class to for a corner. But Emma Class the year Kadhafi the year after they for other botox too. Emma Class, You stand, you talk, say, yeah, you saw, you coach Queen Dope Sarah, you coach people for social media, you get picking at 8 years today, you are not a child, you should be like 32. You are not a child. Because if you born picking at 8 years, you compare, if you born even about 23 years, you must be 30, you must be early 30s. In my class, you are a bad child. You are a bad child. Only for the aspects, even say you can't start today for say they don't give you brand ambassador. If you go talk for your mommy, you will prove loyalty. You know the things the way they do are wrong. Man go from Diveshela. It is so bad for talk. So you employ people the way that you employ them. The people employ them. You need even move money for your salary. You need even move money for your salary. They pay you, not pay them picking them. Diveshela, you are wicked. You are greedy and you are jealous. I don't always say these 3 words for my YouTube channel because I don't really know you, Diveshela. It is high time you change.